In this video, we are going to install Git on storage server, and then we are going to create a bare repository. So SSH into storage server, get the password, be a sudo user because you are trying to change something at system level, and then Git. So it's gonna install Git. Meanwhile, what we can do, what's the difference between bare repository and default normal repository? So whenever you do git install, so that basically default repository, but when you do git init hyphen bare, and then it's gonna initiate this bare repository. So what it does actually, so bare repository acts as a central repository for collaboration. So inside that bare repository you can't do anything, but you can clone and you can make changes, then you can push it. So it acts as a central repository, so no one can change anything, so in order to avoid the conflicts. So let's see that in action, but of course we don't need to do that thing to finish this task, but I'm just trying to explain to get an idea. So if you need to create this directory first, news.git, inside that /opt. Okay, 1 minute, something went wrong. Yeah, let's see if we do. Okay, oh, I was actually seeding it, my bad. Make directory, make sure to put this .git at the end, then get into the directory. Now what you need to do, git init -bare. So now if you do ls-la, you can see .git as well. Basically it contains this content outside of this directory, so something went wrong with it. So let's go back, just remove this folder, so let's make it again, mkdir news.git, my bad, and then get into it. Now do git init -bare. So once you do this, if you do ls-la now, you don't see that .git folder, but you can see the content of that folder. So if you try to create any file here, then if you do git status, so it doesn't show actually, so you can't add that file. It says it must be in the work directory. So if you do pwd, this is our repository. So let's go to some other folder. If you do it now inside this root folder, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to clone git clone /opt news.git. So now you clone it here. If you go to the news folder, now do ls-la, so you can see that .git here. Now here you can commit, you can create anything, you can commit as well. If you do test.txt and then do git status, now add that file and then commit it. I could say initial commit. Okay, I need to configure these for that, so let's do that quickly. So git config -global user.name Madhu So and then add user.email info. Let's use up arrow to run the command. Okay, now if I do git branch, you can see master. If you do git status, your branch is based on origin master, but upstream is gone. That's fine. You can run this command. Oh, actually, now commit. Now check git status. You don't see anything. If you do git log, now you can see that commit. If you do git remote -v, so that's origin, it's pointing to this off directory. Now what you can do, you can push them as well. Git push origin main. Failed to push some reps up news. It's origin. Oh, I'm sorry. The branch name is master actually. Now it's been pushed. So this is how it works. Of course, you don't need to run all of these things, but I just wanted to explain uh, how things work. So Git is one of the best tools to learn. So we use every day as a developer, DevOps, or tester, whichever the role you have. So mostly you would be using Git. Just try to learn the basic. That's enough. That's all for this video. Let's check the task results now. It's been done. Thank you so much for watching.